Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to focus on the grade 9 lesson. However, it will help you immensely in grade 10, grade 11 and form the basics of grade 12 functioning. So we are going to focus on straight lines. Part 1 over here, which means it's going to be a series of lessons. Remember, this is caps aligned and part 1 will be X and the Y intercepts. Now, the Y intercept basically means to cut over, to cross over. What does that mean? It means that my graph or my line, my straight line has to cut at that particular point. And point, I mean coordinate. So, if I cross the y-axis, it's known as a y-intercept. In other words, it cuts the y-axis. If I say the x-intercept, which is this over here, I'm talking about my line crossing over my x-axis over there. What is that specific point? In other words, what's this 2 points? Because at that point, my line crosses either the x or the y. And I'm talking about that point over there. I'll be doing 4 examples, 2 of them. My line is increasing, going up, and 2 of them coming down. The same application. So, firstly, the x-intercept. What am I looking for? Where my line crosses my x-axis. So this is my x-axis. Where does my line cross it? Over here. What is that point? It's -3 and 0. First intercept done. Over here. Now what's my y-intercept of that same graph? This is my y-axis. What is that point? It is 0 and +4. So if I ask you what's the x-intercept, what's the y-intercept, this is what you will give me. How do I find it? From my graph. Next one, over here, x-intercept, where my line crosses my x-axis. That's my x-axis, and where does it cross it at? 3 and 0. My y-axis over here, this is my y-axis. I'm looking for my y-intercept. What's that point? It is 0 and -5. Right. Over here, I cross the x-axis at 3 and 0. So the x-intercept is going to be 3 and 0. What's the y-intercept on this graph over here? What's that number over there? The number is 6. But the point is 0 and 6 over there. Right, let's go over to this one over here. X-intercept, -2 and 0. Y-intercept, over there's my y-axis. What is that point over there? 0 and -3. Please make sure you understand this. And with that being said, it was a very quick lesson, but very important. Next week, we are going to find the x and the y-intercepts from the equation of the graph. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as follow my Facebook page at GA Online Teaching. Very important work is to follow.